ASRock Challenger Radeon RX 7800 XT OC review. The 1440p GPU that actually delivers real value. You finally sit down for a gaming session after a long week, launch that new title everyone's been talking about, and immediately notice the stuttering, frame drops during intense moments, textures loading slowly or looking muddy because your GPU simply cannot keep up anymore. That sinking frustration when your hardware holds you back from enjoying something you've been anticipating for months. And here's the thing, modern games demand more VRAM than ever before. Developers are pushing visual boundaries, and older graphics cards just cannot handle the load without serious compromises. You lower settings, disable ray tracing, sacrifice visual quality just to maintain playable frame rates. The experience feels hollow compared to what it should be. If that scenario hits close to home, you're definitely not alone. The problem compounds over time in ways that quietly drain your enjoyment. Every new game release brings that familiar tension. Will your system handle it, or will you spend the first hour tweaking settings instead of actually playing? You watch benchmark videos and see what the experience should look like, then return to your own setup and feel the gap widening steadily. Beyond gaming, the limitations creep into other areas. Video editing slows to a crawl. Streaming while playing becomes impossible without massive quality drops. That creative project you wanted to tackle sits unfinished because render times are simply unbearable with aging hardware. Let me explain something important. Graphics cards are not just about raw power anymore. VRAM capacity, memory bandwidth, and thermal efficiency all determine whether your system stays relevant or becomes obsolete within a year. The anxiety of knowing an upgrade is inevitable creates its own quiet stress. Then everything changed when the right hardware finally matched the requirements. Don't just pick any graphics card. Make sure it has 16 gigabytes of VRAM so you never suffer texture pop-in and VRAM limitations ruining your immersion again. The ASRock Challenger Radeon RX 7800 XT OC delivers exactly what modern gaming demands. Built on AMD's RDNA 3 architecture with 3840 stream processors and that crucial 16 gigabytes GDDR6 memory on a 256-bit bus, this GPU handles 1440p gaming at ultra settings without compromise. The 64 megabytes Infinity Cache reduces memory latency significantly, while factory overclocked boost speeds reaching up to 2520 MHz ensure consistent performance. This is the breakthrough that actually makes sense for serious gamers. The real-world advantages become obvious immediately. Reviewers from major hardware publications consistently report GPU temperatures staying in the low to mid 70 degrees Celsius range under sustained gaming loads, impressive for a dual-fan design at this performance level. The semi-passive cooling means zero fan noise during desktop use or media playback. One tech reviewer mentioned using this card as their daily driver for 3 months across titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Baldur's Gate 3, and Starfield at 1440p ultra settings without issues. Forum users frequently highlight the 16 gigabyte VRAM as genuinely useful. Several modern games already exceed 12 gigabytes allocation at maximum settings. Concerned about AMD driver stability? Current Adrenalin software has matured significantly with users reporting smooth experiences and feature-rich tools built directly in. The new daily reality looks different. Games launch without anxiety about settings. Frame rates stay consistent during intense action. Creative workloads like video editing benefit from AV1 hardware encoding. Which gaming experience would you choose? Compromised or confident? The difference becomes clear quickly. This comes down to one clear transformation, moving from constant hardware anxiety to genuine confidence that your system handles whatever you throw at it. smoother gameplay, future-proofed VRAM capacity, and quiet operation during every session. Thousands of gamers have already made this upgrade and consistently report satisfaction with both performance and value. The ASRock Challenger Radeon RX 7800 XT-OC represents genuine capability without unnecessary premium pricing. Check the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Your next gaming experience deserves hardware that actually keeps up with your ambitions.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.